It's like they didn't care to straighten it, but really looks dope. Hello guys, so we're heading to the town. These days we're getting lazier and lazier. We left the house at what? It's 2:05.
Hi guys.
Hello. So we are walking, we're going to get the tram, and then what?
And
where are we going?
We're gonna go see the castles, and then the park and the freedom what corner? Yeah.
Freedom corner. I like freedom, so that's nice.
Yeah. Then we'll show you as we buy the tickets so you can know how to get around.
Yes.
You know.
Pauline is gonna teach us how to get around.
Yeah.
With language barrier. So maybe you should tell us what some of the common of like in Polish.
Okay, so
Hi. How do you say hi?
hi is cześć.
Cześć.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What
How
else?
much is like
How
when
much?
you're asking somebody like ile kosztuje?
What?
So ile kosztuje.
Ile kosztuje.
Very easy.
Ile kosztuje.
Which is natural.
Natural. Natural.
What else do you want to ask when you're going around?
When I want to say
Oh.
something is expensive, what do you say?
Oh, za drogie.
Za drogie.
Yeah.
Okay? Za drogie.
Yeah, too expensive.
Unbelievably expensive.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
and things are never too cheap, so we don't want to know what that is.
Yeah, you can never tell the seller, it's like, no, this is too cheap, I'm not gonna buy it.
Yeah. What else do you want to know? Oh, where is the bathroom? JS toaleta.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I think we need somewhere to write. What's it, J?
JS toaleta.
Okay, no, I won't even try that. I will embarrass myself.
Just say toilet.
Yeah, toilet. Or you squat and then you show them toilet.
Yeah, they'll think you're crazy.
So that's what you're doing.
Yeah.
So welcome to Poznan.
Welcome. Zapraszam.
Zapraszam.
I usually check the time over here. So it's 2. So it's coming at 2:22 and then 2:48. So 2:07 now. So 15 minutes.
Wow, that's a long time. So where do we get the
Tram. This is the bus.
This is the bus?
Yeah.
So we go get the tram.
Yeah.
Okay. Tram sounds more fun. Not really, but you know.
Let me even still have my
Okay. So guys, we're buying our bus tickets.
I'm going to buy this one.
You have to do this before you get onto the bus because you can't pay cash.
6 zlotys.
6 zlotys. For 2, or for 1?
No, for 2.
Okay, 6 zlotys for 1. For 2, I mean. So just do this
big
before
bus.
you get onto the bus and the share. Okay.
Hey, that's
I thought that was a zoot. That's it. Okay, yeah, this is a euro. Come on. Oh. If you get caught. Wow.
And it's not even a car that looks like doing all that noise.
Yeah. If you get caught without a ticket, you might be arraigned in court. Have you taken change? Just buy a ticket.
So now by them moving around got expensive.
Yeah. This is valid for 10 minutes only. Our Trump is here. And we are standing. Oh, this is so peaceful. I love these parks.
So nice. Come and sit.
And we've seen these parks in every country.
Everywhere.
In every country, actually city, because we've not been to the whole country. Every city we've been, they have this. Beautiful, beautiful parks.
Look at the ducks swimming.
Oh, Can we eat one? No? Hi! Okay, you don't like me. I know.
And the wheels go round again. Oh, it's such a simple thing. What would I do without your love? You can never go back again.
I don't know how to get a view of this mall, but it used to be a factory. Now it's a mall.
I was walking down by the pier in a thunderstorm, on the same side where we first kissed many odd years ago. I was feeling some kind of wonder when you called my name, and every time I closed my eyes to the world, you would open them up again. It's such a messed up
Here is
place.
the X Factory, now mall. It's huge. Huge. Look at this spider.
Yeah.
Just sitting there, scaring nobody.
We'll see what it's about.
Oh, let's read, because now at least not like in Netherlands, we can understand. Okay, one of us can understand. Hello, Mr. Spider. Oh my god, it's a bit scary. Ooh. What's his name?
It's called Carabus variolosus.
Carabus. Can swim,
Yeah,
can dive,
yeah. Found in humid areas.
found in humid areas in the mountains. Yeah, he can do more things than I can, like diving and swimming.
Yeah, and his main food is lava,
Ew.
flies. And,
Lava flies. Wow.
so disgusting.
What a delicacy.
He's a play.
Oh, look at this. It looks like unfinished steel Mama Bati.
Yeah.
No. It's like they didn't care to straighten it, but really, it looks dope. So are we going upstairs? What do I want to say?
So,
Whoa. Okay, it's huge.
I couldn't help them if I tried. Oh, I think I'm part of it. You and I know where I belong, and the wheels go round again. Oh, it's such a
Poznan Street. Oh, nice. There's a lady who met me at the face place. I don't know what to call it.
oh yeah, the place. Yeah, I saw you there.
She spoke not even one word of English.
Masumbwana.
I know, before we understood each other, she was like, take a picture of me and then I'm going to take a picture of you.
Yeah.
But I didn't want a picture. So I'm like, no, I take a picture of you. Then she's like, no. Take me, take you, then you take me. And then I'm like, okay, you know what, fine, give me a picture. This is the Freedom Square.
such a simple thing. What would I do without your love? You can never go back again.
So guys, the Freedom Square is a UNESCO heritage site, and here are some other sites in some other countries. I think Turkey. Look at that fancy bank. That's the Opera House. This is the Dean's office. That's ridiculous. What a beautiful office. and into the park. See? Park.
They died for Poland.
That's people.
Oh, army officers, Polish army officers in 1940 in a place called, I think, Katyn, Miedonia.
I've not seen these are people like it's faces.
Yeah, it's faces. It's people who died at the war.
What? That's fun.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh. The opera house.
I don't know what is it called? What the hell?
I don't even know what.
What do you call it?
I
Like
think it's opera house.
it's opera house, yeah.
The opera
You
music.
can enter
Type
there
of-
without shield or a suit.
Wow, really?
Yes, yeah, they don't let you in.
Nice.
Just for
The opera. So guys, our run around through Poznan is coming to an end. Complete success. Pauline is the ultimate travel guide.
yes,
For
I am
Poznan.
awesome.
Yes.
It's my next job. My next life.
If you're ever in Poznan, you can pay her ticket to come back with you.
Yes, please.
Yes, please, right?
Yeah, I'll be your translator.
Yeah. Actually, it's having two jobs.
Yeah, just at a simple fee of a ticket. That's it.
Just that.
It's the ticket.
Just
Oh, in
that.
hotel. Yeah.
You won't stay with Dominica.
Oh, okay, I have friends. It's fine.
Okay, so see you on the next vlog. Bye bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.